Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Ember.
And today we'd like to announce our amazing competition where you could win
This book of how to draw realistic animals.
If you'd like to win this fantastic prize, send in your pictures to our Facebook page, which is
Magic Pencil Art for Kids.
And we'll pick a winner. Today we're going to be teaching you how to draw
A magical flying puppy.
a magical flying puppy. What's that?
It's a puppy that can fly and it lives in my dreams.
Wow. Shall we get started?
Yes.
Let's begin. Let's get a black pen. And halfway from the page, across like there, that's where we're going to start. And we're going to do a nose. We're going to do a circle, a black circle for the nose like that.
Right here?
About there, I think, to give us room. Okay, and then inside we're going to draw another little circle just up to the top right hand corner. So it's got a nice glossy shiny nose, so we can colour that in black. Right, so where the middle of the nose is, we're going to go up and we're going to put a little point there. And then from this side, I'm going to draw a straight line that way. And then I'm going to do another diagonal line pointing up that way. Okay, and then just when we get here, I'm going to do like a U shape, like that. Then see where that point was, I'm going to take the pen straight up to about there.
Right here?
Okay, and then I'm going to do a straight line that side and a straight line that side like that. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do kind of like a droopy curve for the eyebrows. Okay, so it's going to go down like that and curl around like that.
Right here?
Yep. I'm going to do the same on that side. Okay, and then I'm going to do a curve going in the other direction like that and like that.
Right here?
Okay, so in the gap in between, I'm going to do the circles for where the eyes would be. And then again, in the top right hand corner, I'm going to draw a smaller circle and a smaller circle there. Okay, so remember that little point there? We're going to go down to here.
Right here?
And I'm going to draw a straight line going up to the nose. And then what we're going to do is kind of like do an upside down heart. So I'm starting there, we're going to go round and up like that. And then we're going to do the same on this side, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to do like a U shape under here, so it's sticking his tongue out. And then I'm going to do another U shape for the chin. Okay, now from this side here, I'm going to curve around and kind of sort of do like a backwards S. So, something like that.
Okay.
Looking good, Ember.
Thank you.
I'll do the same on this side. Right, so our imaginary animal is going to have like a horn. This is the horn, yeah?
Okay.
So we'll do some fur where the horn comes out. So we just do some wiggly sort of shapes for where the fur would be. Yep. And then just here, we're going to do the ears. So I'm going to curve round like that, loop it round like that.
Like hair?
Like that, yeah. That's going to be the ears. And we're going to do the same on this side, like that. And then for the inside of the ear, we're going to do like a leaf or a teardrop shape, like that. That's so good, Ember.
Thank you.
And then we're going to do another teardrop shape on the other side, like that. Okay, and are we going to give this a twisty horn like a unicorn?
Yeah.
Okay, so if we do some diagonal lines on this side, like that, it'll look like it's got a twisty horn. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we're going to do some sort of magical glows coming from the horn, yeah?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is, from here, I'm going to kind of do a circle in dots. So I'm going to go round like this. And then I'm kind of going to wiggle in and out of that circle, just doing dots in a random sort of pattern. So these will be like the little sparkles coming from his magical horn. I'll bring a picture in here a little bit so everyone can see. Okay, so now we've got to do some whiskers under his nose. So we're going to do dots going down like this. And then we're going to do some more rows of dots. And then a couple more there. Like that. Okay. And just underneath see where the chin is meeting the top jaw?
Yeah.
You'll do a little curved line like that for the
Right
neck.
here?
Yep. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do the front paw. So we're going to do a straight line up and then we're going to curve like that. Okay. And then I'm going to loop like that and then up like that. And then we move our pen along and we're going to go down and curve around like that. And we're just going to bring that line up a little bit. And then we're going to curve around and join up like that. So that's the front paw. And then the paw behind it, we're just going to do a shape like that. Because it's on the other side.
Okay.
And we can do the claws. So we can just do some lines like that for the claws in the paws. I didn't mean that to rhyme. Okay, so then we follow this curve. So he's going to have a round tummy. So we're going to do a curve like that. And then for the back leg, it's like we're going to start to draw an oval, which is angled like that. So we're going to go round in an oval like that. But we're just going to do that bit. So I'm going to go that way. And then round like that.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then I'm going to do a curve that goes that way, like it's boosting off. Like it's kicking behind him. Yeah?
It's like he's digging a hole.
Like he's digging a hole, that's the best way to describe it, yeah. Then we're going to curve round and we're going to follow up to there. It's going to go back a little bit like that, and then I'm going to do another curve. Remember that oval?
Yeah.
Following that oval like that, and then behind here we're going to do another paw. So I'm going to do a line like that.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. And then I'm going to do another line like that, and then I'm going to join it up. Excellent work. Okay, so from here I'm going to do a curve going out that way for his little waggy tail. We're going to go like that. And then I'm going to do a curve that way, so it's thinner there and wider there. And then for his bottom, we're going to kind of curve it round like that, so he's like sticking his bottom up, like that. Okay, so now it's time to start doing the wings. So see where the edge of the bottom was?
Yeah.
I'm going to do a curved line that goes like that. And then I'm going to do a straight line like that. And then I'm going to do a little curve like that. Then I'm going to do a straight line and another little curve. And then another straight line.
It's like stairs.
Yeah, like stairs, yeah. Maybe another little curve like that. Okay, and then from behind his ear, I'm going to do a curve that way. And then I'm going to take that in a straight line until it matches up to there.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. Okay, now for the wing behind, we kind of want to make it look a little bit more like it's flapping its wings. So we're going to do the second wing behind it, and we do it slightly at an angle. So I'm going to go out like that, and then around like that, and then stop. Okay, and then when we get to here, I'm going to curve that wing out a little bit more.
Right here?
Yep. And then we're going to take that across and then join it up like that. Okay. So the next thing to do is to do like a curved line this way. Like that.
Right here?
And then what we're going to do is we're going to do like another line, almost like running parallel to that front paw, so kind of like that. Okay, now for these feathers, we're going to do a straight line going halfway into the half of the curve. And I'm going to do another one like that. And then another one like that, and then another one like that. Okay, and then we're going to do a pattern of diagonal lines like that, and then on this side we're going to do okay, and then on this side we're going to do it in the opposite direction, so we're going to go like that.
I already did that.
You've already done it, okay. And then I need to catch up then, so I need to do it that way. Like that. And then like that. For this one we should do this one this way. Okay. We can do some bond in between. Okay, so we've got the feathers that way.
Yeah.
And then we need to do some little feathers that blend into the body. So we're just doing some little loops like this. And then in between each W, we're going to do another little U like that. Okay, that's looking good. So we just need to do another little line there where the other wing's attaching to the back. And I'm just going to do a few little lines to help define the front wing and the back wing. And we'll do a straight line like this. And we'll do a few more diagonal lines, but do them wider apart so they look different from the ones that are in front. Yeah? Okay, that's looking good. Oh, we need to do the claws, so we do two little lines in the paws, and let's do a little bit of a shadow so that we know that our
It's
puppy
like
is
flying.
Yeah. And if we kind of do the lines moving, drifting that way, it kind of helps suggest that the dog is moving that way. That's great. Okay. Now, I think it's time to colour it in. Wow, what an amazing drawing. Give me a high five.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. If you'd like to win this amazing prize,
Which is how to draw realistic animals.
don't forget to send your drawings to our Facebook page, which is...
Magic pencil art for kids.
Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button if you'd like to receive notifications. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.
Bye bye.